Today I'm back with another dance tutorial. I'll be doing the tutorial of Abantwana Bama Uba. Please don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment. Step 1. It's the normal piano dance move I taught you the other day. So it's going to be that 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple. Step 2. This is what you're going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll remember the piano dance I taught you the other day. So you're basically doing the same thing with the legs. There we go. The difference is only there on your hands. So this is what you're going to do. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 3. It's very simple. So this is what you're going to do. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me turn this direction. Yes, girl. Yes. Yeah. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very, very simple. 4 times, huh? As if you're cutting something. Cut, girl. Yeah. Step 4. You're just doing this. Very simple, as if you're brushing your nose. Don't forget to keep on doing the piano dance move by moving your legs, how I taught you the other day. So it's very simple. So this is what you're going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step 5 is a little bit complicated, but this is what you're going to do. It's boom, boom, then 1. It's 1, as if you are jumping. 1. So this is how you're going to do it. As if you're jumping, it's 1 and 1. Your left leg must be up. 1 and jump. Now adding everything together with the hand. There we go. And 1. This is how you do 1 and 1. So step 6 is like you're clapping. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're doing it 4 times as if you're clapping. Clap, clap. Very easy. And then you move your legs as well. You move your legs like this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget the piano dance move. Step 7. This is the last step. Pa! Hey! So this is very simple. So it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you see how the legs go? 1, 2, 3. Step 3 times. You bend a little bit. Let me face this way. 1, 2, 3. Very simple. 1, 2, 3. So your hands are going to be there. Bend. 1, 2, 3. A little bit. Then come up. So let me face this way. It's going to be 1, 2, 3. Don't forget your hands. Bend a little bit. So don't forget the piano dance I taught you guys the other day. So it's very simple. You're literally doing it but adding different elements. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very simple. Now we're putting everything together from step 1 to step 7. This is what you're going to do. So there we go. Step 1. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 2. Yeah. Then step 3, 3, 4. Step 4. Then step 5. Then step 6. Then the last one, step 7. Then 1 step. Don't forget to bend a little bit. So now let me face the other direction as well. Turn, 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 girl. There we go. So this is what we're going to do. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Then step 4. There we go. Then step 5. Then step 6. And step 7. And step 7. There we go. So this is everything from step 1 to 7. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please don't forget to drop a comment. Thank you. Bye, 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 bye. So, guys, level up, level up. See you some other time. Hey, level up, level up, level up.